So yesterday before I left, I did the right thing and I checked the air in my tires. And this one was a little bit low, but I added air to 40 yesterday. So then I wanted to check today if there was the same amount of air in it. And I found the problem. Right here, there's a little nail. So thank goodness I'm at Wally World. This is what I need. Look at this, we're gonna repair a tire today. So I just repositioned my car so that way the nail comes in and down there so it's easier to work with. So just in case I don't fill it in time, I brought the air pump out so if I have to keep filling it while I'm plugging it, that I can do that. This is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna prep this tool with this plug. All right, are we about halfway there? A little bit nervous because as soon as I pull it out, it's gonna be a time crunch. I'm gonna wanna lube it with this bonding solution. All right, once this gets pulled out, I'm gonna stick this tool in to kind of clear the hole, and then that's when I stick the plug in really quick. All right, that's probably good. This is the hard part. All right, foot time. This is what I was kind of worried about. I plugged it at least. I can at least take a minute. I probably need to get deeper than this. It's gonna take a minute. Still not losing air. It's actually still a very firm tire. Okay. That's not gonna do it. I think only a little bit more. I mean, worst case scenario, if I can't get it, I'm literally at Walmart and I could just get a new tire or have them. They'll probably plug it for me. But I definitely would like to be able to accomplish this. Okay. I think I got it in as far as it's gonna go. I think it's in. Well, I did it. I'm really proud of myself. Like, even if it doesn't work out, I did it. That's super cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the right amount of air in. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go anywhere for a while because I'm not gonna trust this tire. Great. All right. I mean, it doesn't feel or sound like it's losing air, which is a goodish thing, I think. I'm also going to trim the butt of this. They say you don't have to, it will wear down, but I also saw another guy said that it might put pressure and it could lose the seal that you got in there. I think I did a pretty good job. That's a good plug.